Hey guys, Mason here with Carns Equipment. Right here we have these nice 2001 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 with this nice two-tone coloration. As you're gonna look here, it's got the Screaming Eagle kit with the drag pipes that shoot out right behind your leg. Really nice sounding bike. You know, this is really going to be something for you know, a beginner. If you've got an 883, you want a little bit of an upgrade from the 883 or from like a 500 or a 650, this 1200 would be a perfect fit. Like it's got a few customizations to it, which makes it actually really nice. Especially the seat, the low pro seat, gives you a little bit more center of gravity with the bikes. Makes you sit a little bit lower so you can plant your feet on the ground. I would highly advise, come check this bike out in person. Pictures, videos don't do it justice. Actually come in and take a seat on it, make sure it feels right for you. But I know somebody out there, this bike is meant for you. Give us a call at 814-765-5684.